Peace, everybody out there. K.U.T here again. Welcome back to K.U.T Productions. In my hand, I'm holding a flyer. It's an old flyer from my art show that was last January, called the Stolen Art Show. So anyway, these kicks I painted especially for opening night. So here they are. Boom. So these are the custom kicks I painted for that opening night. I was trying to do something special, have a special kick, you know what I mean? So I just found an old pair of kicks I had around. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go and just like kind of restore a pair. They're kind of beat down a little bit, but once I hit the paint with them and did my thing to them, it turned out all right. So here we go. These were the Nike Bigs, I think they were called. They got the Spike Lee glasses on the tongue right there, as you can see. I just took them. They were already turning yellow. They were getting all oxidized. But I said, you know what? I'm gonna rock these. I'm gonna do my thing with these. So what I did was I did all the drip patterns. I did this orange here. I did these little details in there. All these little drips. I did this stitching right here. I went, I got a needle and thread, and I poked holes. These are a little dusty, but anyway, I did a little white right there. I went with brown. I went with some brown with the red. Little orange in here, little lines, little details, little gray. All the gray you see I added. So I did all the gray. And then on the tongue I did that little loop piece that holds the lace hold the tongue in place rather. I'm messing up, I'm a little tired I think. And so I did that right there. But then I did more drip pattern, got these white laces, and I kept the orange going, but the back is where it got fun. So I had more of these drips. Little white detail there, the orange. But as you can see, I did my K.U.T right there. So what I did is I picked up where Nike, N-I-K, I used their K, and I just ignored their E, and I went K-U-T, and I added a little drop shadow of orange on there. So that's what I did with these right here. Like I said, the kicks themselves, they weren't too bad. Had some wear, but they were good for the most part. They were an older shoe I had like laying around, so I said, let me go on and put these to use. So this is my own custom K.U.T kick for the Stolen Art Show that I rocked that night. So this is one, and these should be similar. Yeah, these are similar. I had them sitting in the closet, man. They got some dust on them, man. Got some dust. I should have cleaned them up. I'm slipping. But anyway, yeah, same deal with the K.U.T on the back. So K.U.T on the back, as you can see. And here I just ran with a stitch through there. Put a stitch through there, just some stitching. And then more like drip patterns and stuff. Like paint got dripped on them type deal. Went with the brown, Angela's paint, Angela's leather paints for that. Did the gray, like I said, all the gray you see, I painted all that. And I painted the whole shoe red actually. I went back and did the whole shoe red just to tighten it up. And they still got the yellow oxidized sole. Yeah, little details there. All the orange, the bright orange I did. But yeah, these are my Stolen Art Show kicks for opening night of the Stolen Art Show. K.U.T presents the Stolen Art Show. And a documentary of that art show is coming soon. Make sure y'all watch that. The trailer is up on this account. You can go see the trailer for that movie. So yeah, these are those. K.U.T on the back. And if you want some custom kicks, holla at me, I'll hook you up. I can do anything, so it ain't no thing. I can do anything with this art, man. This is what I do, so. Yeah, holla, this is just a pad. This is just what I wanted for myself. So something kind of low key-ish. But yeah, those are my K.U.T kicks. Yeah, like I said, anything y'all want, you want any kicks, any customers anyway, let me know. You can send me the kicks, I'll take care of you. We can do the PayPal, do half down and half of them done. Prices are negotiable depending on what you want. You just gotta cover that shipping, and it'll be tight. It'll be a good project. So yeah, peace. Holla back.